Hello audience, you are welcome to Afolat Tutors. In this video, we'll look at how to create a table in Microsoft Word. Now, to create a table in Microsoft Word, let's assume you want to create a table on, let's say, student table. You take your cursor to wherever you want the table to appear. Then you come to Insert menu. You click on the arrow here. Then if you come to this box, it shows you a box that you can draw. You extend, you get 2x1 table. We have 3x1, 4x1. You come down 4x2. We have 4x3. And so on until you get your desired number. When you get your desired number, you click. Then your table is being created. So here you can start entering your values into your table. So to enter value here, the cursor is blinking on this cell. You just enter this, let's say this is serial number. Then the next cell, let's say this is name. The next cell, let's say we have age. The next cell we have address. Then the next one, let's say we have class. Then you can come here, you click, you enter your first number, name, you enter age, let's say we have 14, address, let's say we have number 1, then class, let's say we have GSS1. So you come to the next cell again, you enter your 2, you come to the next cell, you enter the second name, age, let's say we have 17, address, let's say we have 6. Then class, let's say we have GSS2. I hope it's clear. So let's look at how to create a table again. To create a table, you take your cursor to wherever you want your table to be created. Let's say I would like to create another table here. Another method to create a table, I would like to create a table here. I will come to the Insert menu. You click, then you go to table. You can click on this Insert table. Here you have the opportunity to insert your number of columns and number of rows. Let's say my number of columns is 3. I can insert 3 here. Number of rows, let's say I need 4. Then I'll come here and click OK. So you can see I have my table created here. I have 3 columns and 4 rows. Then you come to each cell, or you use your arrow. Your right arrow to move to the right, your left arrow to move to the left, your top arrow to move up. Then you enter whatever numbers you want to enter, whatever details you would like to enter. Is that clear? So here, let's say you have So we'll stop here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.